they were built to handle 6 cores, 12 threads, overclocked. So if you find one and it's a good price, I'd generally snap it up. That would be my advice with the Westmere 6 core, 12 threaded Xeons.
Yes. Hey everybody, sorry for the shaky cam. I forgot my good camera today, and well, I made a deal on some used X58 parts and some RAM, and I just got off work. I'm gonna go head out and pick that stuff up. So come on with me, let's make some deals. Let's get some gear. I've arrived at the Starbucks inside the Vons that I'm going to be going to. Gonna go pick up the parts. I don't really want to take my phone and put it in his face. So next time you see me right in the next clip, basically, you'll see me with the parts, and we'll go over that. All right, so here we are. This is not the box for this motherboard, but who really cares about that? So look at that. That beauty. Although a little back plate for something. I guess we'll see if we need that. Looks like it's in good shape. I had a good look at the pins, and the pins look good. It came with an I/O shield. That's not common for buying used motherboards. So I/O shield, cool. Look like it's got some beefy VRM cooling, beefy Northbridge heatsink, and those are 8GB low profile ballistics. That's 24 gigs of RAM and triple channel. All this for 90 bucks. Hell yeah. So I can't wait to go home, test this out, and eventually get a 6-core Xeon in there. Now, whether I want to go with an X5675, which is a lot more involved with overclocking with base clock and an isolation of all of the base clock and the memory and the straps and voltages and all of the individual voltages and all that, I don't know if I want to do that or just go straight to a W3680 and overclock that, because that's fully unlocked and super easy to overclock. I guess we'll see. I think it's only like maybe a $20 or $30 price difference between those CPUs, but for maximum value, the X5675, which Brian of Tech Yes City, my Xeon loving brother from another mother, he tested it out, and I'm going to link his video in the up here, I think. But yeah, he did a heap of tests with that thing, so really goes to show you how much life these Xeons have left. Anyways, let's get to testing. So we're back at the house, did some stuff before actually coming back here and dropping the parts off and getting ready. Went and watched the Avengers. Spoiler alert, I'm about to say that good movie though. Anyways, so we're back here with the parts that I bought. I got a CPU in it, some weird dual core Xeon that was just a throwaway CPU that was in the $200 budget build that I built for my cousin. That will be linked right up here, or up here, I forget now. So if you guys, make sure to check that out, but this will serve well as a testing CPU for this motherboard. So time to get that on the test bench and make sure everything works okay. Moment of truth. Success! So there you have it. Successful used parts, well, test, I guess you could say. All the RAM works, 24 gigs, 3 8-gig sticks in triple channel. Threw in a little CPU to test that out with, booted up to Windows, no problem. And everything seems to be good, so I can't wait to build something in this. Not sure what I want to do yet, but I'm definitely going to be throwing a 6-core in there and overclocking it, and going to have some fun with that. So until I decide to do what to do with it, see you guys in the next one. If you like this video, click that thumbs up button, subscribe, we always got more coming. Make sure to hit our social media, links are on the main page for the channel, also linked in the description below, as well as making sure you tune in. We do weekly streams every week, Wednesdays at 8 p.m. So if you want to check out some gaming stuff that we do, just chit chat hardware talk or whatever, tune into those streams. Anyways, see you guys in the next video. Bye. Extreme!